Oh shit!
National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for Brevard County in East Central Florida until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service .the radar was tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles south of Rockledge, moving north at 25.
Tornado warning! Oh shit! It's Tony over NPR News! Z88.3 is going off too!
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a
At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Swansea, moving at 30 miles per hour. Devastating tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Indicated flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Less dangerous storm will be near Sebastian and within Sebastian Inlet State Park around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include North Beach. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
To apply, then schedule and conduct virtual interviews all in one place. Indeed.com/NPR.
warning going on right now until 6:15.
Southeastern Brevard County right now. Traffic between and Sebastian, that's where the box is. Roseland is also included in this area. This is right along the coast, so if you're in these coastal areas, be careful. Look out for these high winds. And Typically, with a tornado warning, that means there's been a sighting of a tornado, or radar indicates that there is a signature that would indicate a tornado is there. Doesn't mean there's one on the ground necessarily, but all precautions need to be taken. Most importantly, get to the interior room inside your building where you happen to be.
Yeah, and we'll let you know if anything else severe pops up, but for now, just know the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Brevard County until 6:15 p.m. Z88.3, we have your weather warnings first to help you keep your family safe.
Well. A tornado warning issued and relayed over WXJ 70, NPR News, NZ 88.3 FM.
For Moscow.
Now that's something you don't see every day.
It breaks the heart of God. Who longs to
Here we go again.
have it. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County Light to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Melbourne Beach to near Fort Pierce south to 8 nautical miles northeast of Sandcut, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create locally hazardous seas. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Orchid, Fort Pierce Ocean Park, Queens Cove, Hope Sound Beach, and Vero Beach South. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
This word, thank you that you are the word of life.
Special marine warning.